Here are the 10 most dangerous olive oil mistakes you should avoid to ensure you're getting the most out of this incredible oil safely. 1. Cooking at high heat. The smoke dilemma. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, has a relatively low smoke point around 375 F, 190 C. When heated beyond this point, olive oil starts to break down, producing harmful compounds like acrolein, the same substance found in cigarette smoke. The oil loses its healthful properties, and you might be inhaling toxic fumes. Solution: use olive oil for low to medium heat cooking. For frying or high heat cooking, choose oils like avocado oil, which has a higher smoke point. 2. Storing olive oil near the stove, a warm disaster. Heat is the enemy of olive oil. When stored near a stove or in direct sunlight, it accelerates the oxidation process, causing the oil to spoil faster. Rancid oil not only tastes bad, but can also be harmful to your health. Solution: store olive oil in a cool, dark place like a pantry, away from heat sources. Ideally, it should be in a dark glass bottle to protect it from light. 3. Using clear bottles, the light hazard. Olive oil exposed to light deteriorates quickly, losing its flavor and nutrients. Clear glass bottles may look attractive, but they allow light to penetrate, speeding up the oxidation process. Solution: opt for olive oil in dark glass or opaque containers to protect it from light. This helps preserve its freshness and health benefits. 4. Holding on to olive oil for too long. Expired oil, expired health. Olive oil doesn't last forever. Once opened, it's best to consume it within 2 to 3 months to enjoy its full flavor and nutritional value. After that, the oil starts to degrade, becoming rancid and losing its beneficial properties. Solution: buy olive oil in smaller quantities and check the harvest date before purchasing. Fresher oil retains more antioxidants and polyphenols. 5. Buying light olive oil, a misleading label. The term light olive oil often leads consumers to believe it's lower in calories. In reality, it's simply a more refined version with a milder flavor. Unfortunately, this process strips the oil of the beneficial compounds found in extra virgin olive oil. Solution: always choose extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, for its superior quality, flavor, and health benefits. Avoid light or pure olive oils, as they are typically lower in quality. 6. Frying with extra virgin olive oil, a costly mistake. Extra virgin olive oil is prized for its flavor and health benefits, but it's not suitable for high-heat cooking. Frying with EVOO can lead to loss of nutrients and an unpleasant burnt taste. High-heat cooking also diminishes its antioxidant content. Solution: save extra virgin olive oil for dressings, drizzling, or light sauteing. For frying, use oils like refined olive oil or sunflower oil, which have higher smoke points. 7. Ignoring the label. What's really inside? Many people don't bother to read the label, ending up with olive oil blends or oils labeled as pure, which often means they're mixed with cheaper oils like soybean or canola oil. These blends are typically lower in quality and could contain allergens. Solution: always read labels carefully. Look for oils labeled extra virgin or cold pressed. These terms indicate the oil's quality and that it hasn't been refined or altered. 8. Using olive oil on cast iron pans. Sticky business. If you're using olive oil to season your cast iron skillet, stop. Olive oil has a low smoke point, making it unsuitable for this purpose. When used to season cast iron, It can form a sticky residue instead of creating a smooth, durable, non-stick surface. Solution: use oils with a higher smoke point, such as flaxseed or vegetable oil, to season cast iron pans. 9. Refrigerating olive oil, the big chill that kills flavor. Refrigerating olive oil may seem like a good idea to keep it fresh longer, but the cold temperature causes it to solidify and lose its smooth texture. Additionally, condensation can form inside the bottle, promoting oxidation. Solution: store olive oil at room temperature in a cool, dark place. There's no need to refrigerate it, unless you plan to store it for a long time, but even then, refrigeration isn't ideal. 10. Using olive oil past its expiration date, the rancid risk. It's easy to forget about olive oil sitting in the back of your pantry, but expired olive oil can become rancid and unpleasant to taste. Rancid olive oil also contains oxidative byproducts, which can cause digestive issues and inflammation. Solution: always check the expiration date before purchasing and regularly check your bottle to ensure it hasn't gone bad. If the oil smells rancid or tastes bitter, it's time to toss it.